So I'm getting ready to bench test this all-in-one DC, and yes, I mounted it on my back panel. Technically you should just do the bench test on all-in-one DC before you do all this, but I've done several of these and this works out for me. But what I have done is I've pulled the terminal blocks of everything I wired. I've got my meter on the spindle RPM command, DAC COM and DAC out, so I can test the analog spindle signal that goes to the VFD. And I've got my power supply connected, and I went ahead and powered up the power supply and I checked for voltages on it and make sure everything's good. Powered that down, powered it back up, got all-in-one DC powered up. I've got the latest all-in-one DC installation manual here. It's CNC 12508. And I've gone in and downloaded the latest version of software. I've already started it. And I went in and installed the license that Centroid provided. So the hardware key is installed and servo mill free is installed. So I'm ready to start the process. As far as the machine goes, let's take a look. So here's the machine. I've got the linear glass scale encoders and the connectors on it. I've already tested them with an Acorn that I had just to check the ports. And I have the control cabinet mounted on the machine. This is the way the customer wanted it, so he had access and he could put the machine near a wall. I've done the preliminary work. I've cut out for the Centroid. I've cut out for the Centroid. Sorry about that. The Centroid cable strain relief system. I like using it. It provides an easy entry into the cabinet. I do have conduits on the servo motor, so they'll be coming in there. That's an opening for the cooling fan. That's the opening for the spindle motor conduit. And then I install louvers on the cabinet and I screen them on the inside so that debris doesn't get into it. So yeah, that's where I'm at with the machine. So now I'll get the all-in-one DC checked out, and I've got a replacement motor for the bad Y-axis motor, and I'm just waiting on a 6mm encoder coming from Centroid so I can get that all wired up, and then the bench test will be done, and then I'll be ready to hook up the encoders and test them. That's what's coming next.